Hello, I'm Wayne Zumwalt, owner of PuroClean of Hendersonville. You're here because you're in need for residential or commercial restoration service. At PuroClean of Hendersonville, we are here to serve our customers regardless of the situation. We strive to provide prompt, professional service in a time of need and treat every situation with the utmost attention to detail. We are the paramedics of property damage. Our company is fully insured and industry certified to remediate residential and commercial property damage. Each employee is thoroughly screened and trained before they arrive at your home or business. We take great pride in the work we do. We have a team of professionals that have a proven track record and outstanding customer service. Implementing the latest equipment and processes allows us to provide our customers with a top-notch service. Call us today to rescue and restore your property. We are here to serve you, our customer, in our community. We look forward to working with you.